How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to install ArcoLinux. Now, this is a distribution that allows you to sort of flavor your distribution while you're installing it. So you can pick so many different stuff, and I'll show you that in the installation. Now, I am gonna do this in the virtual machine, but I do plan on using this to install on my laptop. So let's get started. I'm just gonna go ahead and open a web browser. I'll show you how to get this. So just write ArcoLinux. And you just go into right at the bottom of the page, you'll find the download button, and from here you can choose the different ones. So you have three options, which is ArcoNet, ArcoPro, and ArcoPlasma, and you can go ahead and just pick the one that you want. I do recommend ArcoNet because this is the easiest one, and I do recommend using a torrent to download it because it just is faster and better. So I've just loaded up a virtual machine over here, and I've just put the ISO in, and I'm just going to go to start this. Let's go. Okay, so this is what you get from the start. I'll actually just make this a bit more like a square. So there's some information. Let's go ahead and check the information, and this is going to give you an idea of which ISO does what. So we're going for ArcoNet, which is easiest. It's basically like the simplest, most straightforward one you can get. So what you select is what you get, and you can choose the easy installation, or you can use the advanced installation, and I'm just going to use the advanced one. Now I just downloaded this ISO, so I'm not going to update the mirrors or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and get started with it, and I'll show you what this does. So let's go ahead and go forward. So you can pick kernel. It's got the Zen kernel and also the hardened kernel. Now this will make a difference because of depending on your hardware, because if you go forward you will have GPU options, and it does have some options to actually just use the drivers from the kernel or the one that you boot it into. I'm not gonna take too long on this because you can spend hours on this. You can choose oh, they've got OpenWorks. You can choose so many different ones. I'm going to go with LX FCE because this is actually running XFCE, so it's very easy, very lightweight. I'm gonna go with this one for now. No, actually I'll try something new. I'll go with Cinnamon. And you can also choose a Wayland desktop environment, and I believe, I might be wrong, they did have Sway, but they've gotten rid of it for some weird reason. I think the last time I tried this, they did have Sway. Let's go forward. We're gonna leave all that out. We're gonna put these in. We can put the tweak tool. I do recommend ArcoLinux applications because they are very useful. And wallpapers, we'll take wallpapers and SDDM themes. Did we choose which one did we choose? Yeah, okay, we'll take that as well. So we'll take all this. Let's go, and now you can choose so many of your applications. There are like TeamViewer, ArcoLinux Team. Okay, there's so many different ones over here. All these things now. Because this is a virtual machine, I'm just gonna show you what you get. I'm not gonna spend so much time on choosing any of these things. I'm just gonna go forward. Might select a few things here and there. That's it. Because what it does is it takes a long time installing all these packages. So if I select so many of these things, it's gonna take a very long time. But this is just an idea of what you get. So you can install Firefox and other web browsers. In this case, I'm actually gonna go with Firefox, just in case we need something. Let's go forward. We've got some themes if you want. I'll leave those out. Leave all this out because last time I installed this, it took forever. You can choose graphics, and if you go down, you got more stuff. Let's go forward. We'll keep on going forward. Game stuff, you got Kitty, you got terminals. I'll take electricity. You've got ZSH. And let's go forward. Got file managers, we'll take Tuna. Let's go forward. And you got disk utilities, applications, Conky, password managers, screen copy and everything, Android stuff and other utilities. Oh, you got ParmaKUR in this. That's an option. And you can install Flatpak. Oh, and you can install J. That's awesome. I mean, you got hardwood. You've got all these just built in here. You even got System 76 power management, brightness control. You got that as well. That's awesome. That's cool. You got all these things just straight up from here, so you can pick so many. Oof, that's a lot. Let's keep going forward. This is development stuff. Location. We're in London. UK layout, and we're going to erase the 25 gigs. So this is using Customised installer, so it's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and do that, and let's go ahead and install it. Now this will take, depending on how many packages you choose, it will take a very long time. So I'm actually gonna skip this, and I'll be back. So it's finished. Let's go ahead and click done. Oh, something happened. Okay, so here we go. Let's go into ArcoLinux, and that was the boot manager. That was group, I believe. I did install this on my laptop, and it looked exactly like that. It looks very nice. Okay, so this is STDM. It's got cinnamon on Wayland. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I think this is experimental. Oh, password. Okay, I'm actually gonna reset this again. Let's go on cinnamon. Okay, there we go. It's come up, and we've got ArcoLinux tool. Oh, they've got really cool tools. I've used ArcoLinux before as a base. Let's go ahead and check out what we've got. We've got Firefox. We've got, and this is gonna take a while, I guess. Okay, and we've got Nemo. They've installed Nemo, or I'm sure I installed Tuna. Didn't I? Yep, Tuna's here. That's pretty cool. I like the theme on this. This is why I like ArcoLinux. I really do like the theme that they've got. And so this is Cinnamon. I've actually never used Cinnamon before. That looks pretty nice actually. And there's Alacrity, whatever. Okay, if it's not gonna pop up, oh, there we go. That's working. It's got Steam. Why the heck is it installing all these things? I didn't pick that. Maybe this is what Cinnamon comes with. So I think they really should have some. So yeah, I mean it works. It's pretty nice actually. Oh, well, okay, that seems to be working. Yeah, ArcoLinux is pretty cool. I mean, you can just install so many things and then straight up. All these things is got. Yep, I did install Tuna as well, so yeah, I do recommend ArcoLinux. It works. I've been using on my laptop with the needy installation, and that works really well. They've got their own sort of custom stuff going on, so they've configured it so that it works straight out of the box, and well, not out of the box, but when you freshly install it, and it just works. So it's a very easy to sort of customize and get a head start on your Linux. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to try something else as well. I'm going to actually see if I can just get a bare bones Arch installation with ArcoLinux, because this does have a nice theme and it has a Customised installer, so it makes it a bit easier. But I'll leave the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.